So, do you still carry 3 different cables? So stop. This is Obon's all-rounder WR668, a 3-in-1 100 watts cable with Velcro. Yes guys, so today I will unbox it, test charging and tell you if it replaces every cable in your bag. So let's jump in. So hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So if you are new to our channel, please hit subscribe to TechnoWaves. So now let's unbox it first. Wow guys, it comes with nice packaging, and here in the box it has highlighted some specifications. It is 3-in-1 cable, charge high speed with rust-proof connectors, pure copper cables, and tangle free and durable, and it is wider compatibility. Yeah guys, here you can see. Wow, nice build quality. Yes, absolutely looking very premium. Packaging is compact and minimal guys, nice for eco points. Inside here we get the cable with the Velcro strap. Wow. So guys, there is no charger included. So this is a cable only. So pair it with a proper 100 watt speedy charger. First of all, the cable looks very braided. The connectors feels very snug, and that Velcro strap is actually stitched on, not just cheap glue. Little things like that matter, I guess. So talking about the design, it has braided nylon out layer for durability, and it is reinforced strain relief at both ends and compact connectors head, so they fit most phone cases without removing them. So this Velcro strap keeps things tidy in your bag, great for daily carries. About its specification guys, it has 3 connectors. Here you can see. The first is USB-C, and second is lightning charge, and the third is micro USB charger. Yes, so it is basically a USB-C cable, lightning for Apple phones, and this is the mic depending on your unit. So, and the power is, it has 100 watts of PD support at data transfer, replace with official data rate, exam 480 Mbps to 5 Gbps. Talking about the length, it is across 1 to 1.5 meter. So now it's time for testing guys. So guys, here I have taken 100 watts of adapter. Here you can see. Now let's connect it. Yes, it is on now. Now let's first try with this lightning cable. Yes, here you can see guys, it is charging. Now we will try on the Type-C cable. So this is I'm using on Android mobile. And the best part is you can even transfer your data. Just plug a phone to the laptop and transfer up to 1 GB file. The speed up to 30 MB to 240 Mbps. Yes. So the main question is, who is this for? So this is for the travelers who want one cable for everything, and people with mixed devices, households, and anyone who hates cable clutter. So this is the best, you can use it. So about its pros, it has 1000 watts with PD supports for laptops, powerful and future proof, and it has Velcro plus braided design, so it's very durable and tidy. 3 connectors in 1 cable, so it reduces the clutter. So this is the 3-in-1 cable you can use for your iPhones and Android also. And about its cons, if you regularly need simultaneously full speed charging of multiple devices, a single cable will share power for absolute max data speed. So dedicated single purpose cables could be faster. Yes, it will share the watts, so it may be a little bit of slow charging. And second is, it no charger adapter in the box. I have connected the other one. So guys, this is all about 3-in-1 data cable with Velcro by Obon company, as here you can see. Yes, so if you found this helpful guys, please hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tests, and drop a comment. Do you use one cable solutions or prefer single cables per device? I will pin the best replies, so check the description.